Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally I'm back from my vacation. I had a lovely time. Okay, so I'm full of energy again. Okay, so let's see what's going on in gold and where are the trading opportunities. So you can see that, my dear friends, I have drawn many lines on the chart. So let's try to understand one by one. So last time we discussed about gold was trading around 2750, 2760. After that, we saw heavy correction on the chart of gold. Gold made a low of 2535, 2536. After that, we can see that gold is going up again. So in this last 1 or 2 weeks, there have been frequent trend changes, because of which you guys must be finding it difficult to understand the trend of the market, and that's why flexibility is very important for a trader. Without flexibility, a trader cannot survive. So market was extremely bullish. After that, market witnessed heavy downfall, and now we can see that gold is going up again. So in this situation, you need to understand the market sentiment. After all, market sentiment decides the trend. So here we can see gold edges higher on safe haven demand. Gold edges higher in early Asian trade. The precious metals appeal as a safe haven asset has been supported by the escalating geopolitical tensions, particularly the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Gold bounce back extends on geopolitical turmoil. So geopolitical tensions are back again, because of which we can expect gold to be bullish again. So geopolitical tensions are not very high right now, so do not expect that market will be crazy bullish like earlier, but yes, overall the market sentiment may remain bullish. So in this situation, if you have any sell position, if you're holding a sell position as a swing trader or position trader, you need to be careful, because any news from the Russia, Ukraine or Middle East will pump gold again. So be careful if you're having a sell on the chart of gold right now, and if you're having a buy on the chart of gold. You can continue your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2600 and 2590. So buyers, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2600, 2590. And I think in this month of November, gold is not going below 2590. Chances are very less. Okay, and if you're having a sell right now, okay, then you need to be careful, because the market sentiment has changed again, and we can clearly see that gold is going for a trend reversal. Not crazy bullish, but yes, gold is bullish technically, because if we look at the market structure also, we can see gold is forming higher highs and higher lows, and this was the significant high of the market, and gold has crossed it. So technically things are bullish, and we have looked at the market sentiment. So yes, market sentiment wise also gold is bullish right now. Clear? So again, I'm repeating, okay, if you have a buy on gold as a swing trader, position trader, continue as long as gold is trading above 2590, 2600. During the day, if market drops, then as a day trader also, you can look for a buy around 2600, 2590. Why? If you're wondering, then 2600 is a round number. So we will find psychological support over there. Okay. And right now we can see that, okay, there is not much volume in the market. Just look at the size of the candles. So in this situation, if market drops also, you can look for a support around 2617 and 2609, 2610. Around these two areas, as a day trader, you can definitely look for a buy position. Why? Okay, let me show you. First of all, let's use a beloved Fibonacci here. You can see around 2609, 2610, we have Fibo's 38.2% retracement level. Okay. Along with that, okay, market has also taken support previously. Okay, so if market is not very volatile, okay, every minor level should work. And before this 260910 level, okay, we can also expect a previous support of 2617, 2618 to work. Moreover, around the same area, we also have the 200 moving average. So if we combine all the factors, in this situation, both the levels look good for day traders. If market comes down, observe the market first. If market takes support, if you see market showing price rejection from below for 30 seconds also enough. hit the buy button. How much you can expect? Your stop loss should be at least 50 pips, and your target should also be around 50 to 60 pips initially. If you see the market is higher potential, then you can go for TP2 around 80 to 90 pips. Right now, the significant low of gold is around 2535. So if market breaks 2535, then we can expect the next support to be around 2480. But chances of market going below 2535 is very less. So let's not waste time talking about 2535, 2480. But in case an accident happens, because market is full of surprises, okay, you can look for a sell below this particular area, and the next support will be around 2480. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn two lines here. Okay, let's first of all let's talk about this box. So the biggest resistance on the chart of gold is around 2700, 2690. I think that gold will stay below 2700, or we will see gold trading between 2700 and 2600 in this month. So the monthly range can be 2600, 2700. So if market goes up, then obviously market will not be able to cross the level at once. So as a day trader, okay, you can definitely look for at least 100 pips, $10 target of on gold, 2700, 2690. If you're wondering what is the reason, then the most important reason is that around 2700 we have these zeros, round numbers. Round numbers are psychological support resistances. And if I need to show you the contracts, okay, you can see, wait. See, this is 2600 as support. We have the highest number of contracts standing at 2600. So obviously 2600 is not going to surrender that easily. There will be some good amount of buying. So definitely 2600 is a good support for us. And we are considering 2700 as resistance, not only because of round number, but also we have good number of contracts. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. You can see we have more than 7,000 contracts standing at 2700. As the market sentiment is more or less bullish, so do not expect that the trend of the gold will reverse completely from 2700, but at least there will be a resistance. There will be a selling opportunity around this area. Eventually market may break it, then we can go for a buy above it. But at least when gold will hit 2690, 2700 area for the first time, we can look for a selling opportunity. And this may be the range of gold for this month. And we have another high risk selling opportunity around 2663 to 2665 area. It's a high risk sell zone on the chart of gold because of this FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I see right now. Let me wrap it up. So my dear friends, the trend of the gold has been changing frequently, so you need to be careful. So after this heavy downtrend, we can see that gold has crossed a significant high here, and right now or at present the market structure is bullish, higher highs and higher lows. But market sentiment decides the trend of the market, and we have seen the market sentiment is also more or less bullish. So in this situation, it's better to be on buy position only, but be careful. So if you are having a sell, please be careful. If market goes up, try to exit from the sell positions. And buyers, you can be on the buy position as long as gold is trading above 2600, 2590. If suddenly market starts falling, then obviously you need to exit immediately below 2590 from your buy positions. Okay. And those who are looking for a fresh position, obviously you can look for buy around 2600. But right now we do not have much volume in the market, so you can also look for buy around 2617, 2618, and 2609, 2610 area as well. And if market goes up, we can look for a sale around 2700 to 2690 area. Before that, scalpers can also look for a high risk sale around 2663 to 665. How much you can expect? 40 pips, not more than that. Okay, because the market is bullish. Why it is risky? Because the market is bullish. Okay, so taking a sell is going against the trend of the market. And right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session. During the European session or US session, if gold goes up and if market doesn't come for proper retracement, then you can also look for a buy above this particular area as well. means buy at breakout. Buy at breakout above 2642. Obviously, buy at breakout is little riskier, but if market doesn't come for retracement, and obviously we can't help it, isn't it? In that case, you can look for a buy above 2642, but be careful. Okay, follow proper stop loss and risk management. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.